I'm Charmaine, my first Brown, a resident of Thornton Park Housing Scheme on Slapin Road. I am a second-year student at Jamaica Theological Seminary, where I pursue a bachelor's degree in guidance and counseling. Now, I've had instances where I've faced financial difficulties in obtaining my tuition, and I've had to reach out to Mr. Mark Golding on more than one occasion. Being the empathetic person he was, he immediately responded to my requests. And Mr. Golding, I found out, is an hands-on person. If he's online and I text him, he responds almost immediately. And if he's offline and I text him, as soon as he gets the message, he responds. Whatever the situation is, he always comes through for me. And for that, I really commend him on being the type of person he is. Very interactive with us, the residents. We're even having situations in Thornton Park now where the light is concerned. We're having a problem with JPS, and Mr. Mark Golding responds to all our community meetings. He's having dialogue with JPS on our behalf. So I must say, Mr. Mark Golding is not only with the people, he's for the people.